guys. Today we are talking about a super highly requested feature, which is uploading content directly from your Google Drive into your Newline Engage Cloud board. We're going to start by looking at our left side toolbar here, and you'll see the icon for uploading, which is a square with an arrow pointing up. If you need to, as you're getting comfortable, up in the top corner of that toolbar, you're going to see three horizontal lines. That will actually expand the toolbar so you can see each label, which will make it a little bit easier for you to navigate around. But I'm going to go ahead and click on that upload icon, and I'm going to choose my second option, upload files from Google Drive. Once I click this, it's going to ask me to authorize Google Drive access, and I'll click sign in with Google. I do have a couple different accounts here, so I'm going to choose the account where my files are located, and it's going to bring me into my drive. So I'm going to go ahead and find my file called Training Resources, and you'll see a ton of different file types. So you can bring in slides, docs, sheets, PDFs, images, really anything that you have saved in your Google Drive. I'm going to keep it simple today, and I'm actually going to go ahead and upload just a standard PDF here. I'm going to go with Pythagorean theorem. So once I click on the PDF I want, I'm going to choose select, then you'll see it appear here on my board. If I did want to reorganize position of this board, I'm going to find my move and resize tool here on my side toolbar, and then I can click on my PDF. I can drag from the corners to shrink it down and place it where I want on the board. If I want it right in the center here, I can absolutely go ahead and do that. One thing I do recommend is locking these PDFs or images in place so that as your students are working on them, they're not really able to move that image around or that PDF around. To lock something in place, I'm going to select my select tool, which looks like a little mouse pointer, and I'm going to right click on that PDF or image or whatever you're wanting to lock. Down here at the bottom, you'll see the lock feature. And now, even if I choose my move tool, I'm not able to move that around, and my students won't be either. Now, if I did want to interact with this content, I can choose either my drawing tools or my typing tools, just depending on the type of device that I'm using. I'm going to go ahead and choose my text box and my click and type so that I can fill in 8 squared, and I don't have my math tools here, so I'm going to use kind of the cheater way of doing this, plus 6 squared equals c squared. And then I could have my students go ahead and solve. And if I wanted to, move that around, again, the move and resize tool will allow me to manipulate that as well. If I did want to write, I will grab my drawing tools and I can write directly on these as well, just again, depending on the type of device that I'm using. So very, very easy for you to pull in content directly from your Google Drive right into your Engage Cloud boards. Something else to be aware of is if your PDF is a multi-page PDF or a multi-page slide or something like that, page 1 will show up here on the first page of your board. To access the other pages, you'll come down to the bottom left-hand corner where you see the page number, and we would hit the next arrow. Now, this PDF is only one page, so nothing's going to show up here, but just know if you have a multi-page document or slide that you bring in, page 1 will show up first, and you can use the arrows in the bottom left corner to navigate to those other pages.